what's the average cost to process a patent? There's a lot of different kinds of patents. You can get a design patent, which is what we're going to talk about today with graphical user interfaces. And those are much more straightforward because design patents are just about the drawing, right? The way that it looks. And that's the scope of protection that you get, like a article of manufacture, right? Like the AirPod container, that shape, right? The curvature, the way that it looks, not the fact that it holds AirPods or charges or has Bluetooth capabilities, just the way that it looks. That's design patent. You can file them yourself and pay just the filing fees and get it done for a couple $100. But is that the right way to do it? If you work with, a high-end firm like ours, you might be looking at, 5 or 6 or even 10 grand to do it the right way. It's a lot of variables, Chris. So it's hard to say. On the utility side, it's a lot more complicated because it's covering functionality. Okay, you're covering what it does, and the breadth there is greater. Okay, with the utility patent, you're getting protection on lots of different types of materials, different versions of your invention. And so you could look to be in 20, 30 grand quite easily to get a patent all the way through to issuance. This is how much does a patent cost? And it's our 2020 guide. For most first-time inventors, it's more than you want it to, okay? But I do a lot of educating in terms of really thinking about your time, right? Your time and the investment there. And I kind of speak sort of on a bit of a soapbox where the inventor really has no business, learning about the law, writing their own application and doing the work that an attorney who has spent their whole career doing, right? They should be inventing, and they should be, making the next version of their problem.